biggest mistake that I've seen through hundreds of trainers, but not only mistakes that I've made, is there's too much of an emphasis on how do I make this a professional living? Because personal training and health and fitness coach, there is this stigma that it's not really a career, that it's not really a viable way to create a sustainable living. And so we can get wrapped up in, I need to make this amount of money or else I'm not considered professional. What I do is not taken seriously. And having that thought in your head will always drive you to, I need to make this amount of money. I need to have this many clients versus why do I do what it is that I do? What makes me unique? What's the impact I have in people's lives? This is how I do it. This is why I do it. When I started to focus on that, not only did more possibilities reveal themselves to me, there was a tremendous amount of stability, security. I started to see how I could create a sustainable income for myself and the lifestyle that I live. So the biggest mistake that personal trainers, health and fitness coaches make is, this is something I'm only going to do for a period of my life because I'm so young, or this is what I'm excited about. We have to take ourselves serious. We have to take what we do serious as professionals. And when you can make that shift in the mindset, you approach what you do, how you do it, like any other profession. And that helps you create and build from a place of stability, security, and integrity, so you can continuously pursue your passion and make a sustainable income while doing it.